So there's one thing that I think is a really, really, really sensible tip to going for an interview or going for a business meeting or engaging with anybody. And I know it sounds very, very easy, but just be on time. And actually, don't be on time, be ahead of time. Because if you always plan your journey, like I always plan, like today I got to the airport way earlier than I needed to get to the airport. I arrived in Ireland probably an hour or so earlier than I needed to arrive in Ireland. And I just sat there calmly, had a drink, thought about my day, got myself in a taxi, arrived here earlier than I needed to be here, and nothing was a hassle. Like nothing stressed me out, nothing made me flap, nothing made me be off my game, nothing made me run down the street and break a heel off my shoe because I was panicking. So it's kind of like you just be ahead of your appointment. So if you're going for an interview or a meeting, it's actually not that cool to turn up too early, but you can turn up and be around the corner too early because no one's going to know. And you can sit and have a glass of water or have a coffee and be there out of view. You don't want to look like too keen. So you can kind of walk around the corner and you'll be in like you've just sauntered along and everything's really calm. So just be early and get yourself in a place where you're relaxed and you're calm and you've combed your hair and you've got the right shoes on. You probably changed from your trainers into your high heels like I did when I arrived. And then you just you're not flapping, you're not hassled, you're not stressed. Mm-hmm. So that when you go in for an interview or in for your business meeting, you can perform at your absolute best. So that's because you'll look at your best and you won't be disheveled in any way, but also your mind will be very calm. So you'll be able to articulate yourself how you want to articulate yourself. So that's really, really key. So allow extra time so you can be in the area and then your mindset will be ready for you to smash what you're trying to smash.